structured query language, is a domain-specific language used in programming and managing relational databases. It's designed for managing data stored in a relational database management system, RDBMS, or for stream processing in a relational data stream management system, RDSMS. SQL is essential for tasks like querying data, updating data, inserting data, and deleting data from databases. SQL operates through simple English-like statements. It allows users to interact with databases by performing tasks such as retrieving data from tables, updating data, deleting data, creating and modifying database schemas, and managing permissions on tables and views. Some common SQL commands include 1. Select, retrieves data from a database. 2. Insert, adds new data to a database. 3. Update, modifies existing data in a database. 4. Delete, removes data from a database. 5. Create table, creates a new table in the database. 6. Alter table, modifies an existing table in the database. 7. Drop table, deletes a table from the database. 8. Create index, creates an index search key on a table. 9. Grant, gives specific privileges to users or roles. 10. Revoke, removes specific privileges from users or roles. SQL is a fundamental tool for anyone working with databases, from developers to data analysts to database administrators.